Hi there, and welcome to iHealthBrokers 1-Minute Healthcare Updates. Now, as always, if you have questions about your health insurance, please feel free to give us a call at 888-918-0518. We're licensed nationwide, and there is absolutely no charge for our services. And if you're so inclined, you can find us at iHealthBrokers on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram. Medical bills and medical debt is a huge problem in the United States. But there is majorly good news on the horizon. The top 3 credit reporting agencies have actually reported that they plan to make major changes and even drop the way that medical debt is applied to people's credit report. So these 3 agencies are Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Amongst the changes planned to take place in 2022 are paid medical debts being dropped from credit reports, increasing the length of time from 6 months to 1 year before medical debts appear on credit reports, and entirely eliminating medical debts $500 or less from credit reports. These plan changes may help to largely alleviate some of the stress associated with medical debt and credit reporting. In fact, 1 in 5 families have some type of medical debt which is reflected on their credit reporting. As always, if you have any questions about your health insurance, please feel free to give us a call at iHealthBrokers at 888-918-0518. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.